Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one drop dead gorgeous GTO. She's numbers matching, a 1967. She is a 4-speed, and she's got some beautiful paint, man. Slick as can be. You can see all that chrome is also looking absolutely beautiful. Now, whenever you're buying one of these cars, you want to look at things like the headlight bezel, the bezels around the marker lights, the grille itself, all the body lines, the emblems, the chrome on the bumper. You want to take a look at all these things. Take a look at those wheel lip moldings and look at those aftermarket wheels on this thing. Looking slick as can be. That rocker molding looking good. All the body lines are looking sweet. And I tell you what, the blue on this car is absolutely beautiful. You can see all the stainless is highly polished. The chrome on the door handles looking sweet. And then check out the interior. My favorite color, black. That's what it should be. She's a muscle car. We got great looking upholstery on the seats, front and rear. Back seats got seat belts. We got great looking headliner here. You got great looking upholstery everywhere. You can see that the paint work, the wood work, and oh my goodness, looky there. There's an 8-track tape player under there. Can play some of your old Johnny Cash 8-tracks. We've got great looking wood on the center console. You can also see how nice the door jambs are. Everything's looking sweet. Whoop, I'm stepping in front of you here. Look down that quarter panel, straight as can be. We got great looking emblem there. That GTO emblem's looking sweet. You can also see that the chrome on the back bumper's looking good. You can always tell a 67 by the way the taillights are inlet like that. All right, I got way too many keys here, guys. Wish me luck. Look at that, second try. Wow, look at the interior work on this. Isn't that beautiful? Somebody did a gorgeous job on this. I didn't expect to see that on a stock looking car. This thing is beautiful, man. Somebody spent some money on this. Gorgeous work, and you can see the paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid. Now on all GTOs, especially 67s, you want to check this back lip. Last I heard, they still were not producing these 67 deck lids, so you got to make sure that you get a good one. Looking down the side of the car, man, you can see the stance is killer, you can see the body work is beautiful, and that paint is just to die for, man. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment whatsoever. That means we own this GTO, so you know we did our homework and picked it out. Then when they get here, every car goes up on the lift so we can inspect them. That way we can tell you all about the car when you call Tom. All right, it is 67 GTO time, baby. Let's go. 4-speed, numbers matching, 400 under the hood. Sounding amazing. I tell you, this thing has got such a great rumble sitting there idling, man. She just sounds like a badass. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this GTO anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful little car here. Now we're going to put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side like we do every car at Vanguard. No car comes into Vanguard that does not go on the lift and get pictures and video of it. Tell you what, she just sounds amazing. Power steering feels good. 4 speeds feeling good. We're going to blow by this postal truck. Hopefully he doesn't make a left-hand turn here in front of us. Tell you what, I'm loving this thing. Looks like we got semi trucks all over the place. Get around the corner here. Now look at this dash. All the wood grain's looking sweet. All the chrome's looking good. Gauges are all looking sweet. Looks like everything's working. I have not put an 8-track tape player or 8-track tape in the 8-track tape player, so I'm not sure whether that baby looks good or works good. All right, here we go. We're gonna head back to the shop right now where we invite you to come visit us. Please come on out and check this car out in person. Check out the rest of our inventory. We've always got new stuff coming in. And if you need to fly in, we're actually real close to the airport. A lot of people can fly in the morning, check out our cars, and then fly right back out that afternoon. That's just how easy it is. We'll even send a driver down to the airport and pick you up if you need a ride. So stick with us. We're headed back to the shop right now where we're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can check out the bottom side. We're right here at 15100 Keel Street. Stick with us. We're underneath the 67 now, and man, is it pretty under here. You can see that it's got a brand new gas tank. You can see the good looking paint on the frame here. You can see that trunk floor is looking good. The exhaust system looks like it's new. I see new body bushings here also, so the car's definitely been off the frame. I see new body bushings here. Tailpipes looking good. You can see those shocks look like they're new. You can see the bushings and the control arms look like they're new. Even the whole control arm looks like it's new. The brakes, the guys pull the brakes apart on every car, make sure they're installed correctly. I see new brake lines here. Also, the upper control arm bushings look like they're new. You can see all the floorboards up in there, all nice and clean. The springs look like they're new also. We got FlowMaster Mufflers here. They've been painted up, looking good. It's got the nice hangers on there, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. Frame's all nicely painted up here. Again, I see new bushings there. Parking brake cable, I see nice coating on the floor here also, looking good. I see new brake lines and fuel line, all nice and cleaned up, looking good. These floorboards are just gorgeous under here. We get the Muncie 4-speed transmission that would have been stock for the car. The stock appearing bell housing and a stock appearing starter, stock appearing clutch linkage also. We got new bushings up front here in the lower control arms. I got Delco disc brakes up front. The backing plates look new. Ball joints look new. All the bushings look good in the sway bar. A lot of the hardware here on the steering also looks new. Sway bar bushings up here on the frame look new. Front frame horns are nice and straight. We got good looking core support here also. I mean, everything under here is nice and clean, and there's a lot of new parts underneath there. Got a great looking set of tires on here, and I love these wheels, man. These are aftermarket aluminum wheels to look like the Magnums. 245, 45, 17s up front. Now you can see that the rocker molding too is all polished up, looking good. That GTO emblem also looking sweet. Whenever you're looking at any car, probably one of the most important things is to look at this little lip here on the front fender and the rocker panel here, where those two pieces of metal are all welded together. It looks slick as can be. Run your hand down on the back side of it, make sure it's nice and clean. Now out back, got the same good looking wheel and same tire. Yes, 245 50 17s. She's looking beautiful on the bottom side. Let's lower it down and look under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now. We got the numbers matching 400 under here. Sitting on top of that Edelbrock intake is a 780 Holley 4-barrel. That's going to give you the fuel you need to make this 400 get up and run. We got a brand new power booster here. We got what looks like a new CPP master cylinder. We got great looking valve covers on there. The alternator looks like it's a new unit. Looks like a brand new belt there also. It does have power steering on it. Fan shroud's in good shape. Looks like we got a fan clutch on this one also. You can see the firewall's nice and clean, all looking sweet. All the hoses and the wiring are nice and neat on it. We got a new pad on the bottom side of the hood, or it looks like fairly new at least. We got what looks like a bed liner material on the bottom side of the hood. The whole front grille area here is all painted up, looking good. Radiator also looks like it's a rebuilt unit. It's got some fresh paint on it. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. It looks like it's got a new rag joint in there. I mean, it is clean as a whistle on the underside of the hood here. Now guys, this is not gonna last very long. 67 is probably the best year on a GTO, and this one is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.